Have you seen those flashy ads for Aurvelia Multiactive Serum that promise you'll look 20 years younger in just weeks? The marketing is everywhere right now, with dramatic before and after photos, headlines like banned by surgeons, and even fake celebrity endorsements, which naturally makes people curious but also skeptical. Aurvelia positions itself as an all-in-one anti-aging solution loaded with ingredients like hydrolyzed collagen, argireline, hyaluronic acid, and what they call cosmetic-grade botulinum toxin, giving the impression that it works like Botox in a bottle. But here's the catch. True Botox is a prescription-only injectable, so it simply can't exist inside an over-the-counter serum. What these ads really rely on are hype, emotional promises, and cleverly designed fake news-style articles to pull buyers in. Many of the glowing testimonials and photos circulating online appear AI-generated or heavily edited, which raises serious red flags about authenticity. On the other hand, some of the base ingredients listed, like hyaluronic acid and collagen, are commonly found in regular skincare. So while the formula might give you temporary hydration and smoother-looking skin, it's far from the miracle transformation they're promising. The bigger issue is that products like Aurvelia often come from generic overseas manufacturers, get rebranded with luxury-style packaging, and are sold online at highly inflated prices through aggressive ads. That doesn't necessarily make it harmful, but it does make the entire offer feel misleading. At the end of the day, Aurvelia Multiactive Serum isn't the miracle cure it's hyped up to be, but it's also not entirely worthless. It just doesn't live up to the dramatic claims. If you've seen the ads or even tried this serum yourself, let me know your experience in the comments, because hearing real feedback is the only way to cut through the marketing noise.